Hello, welcome to Graduate Guru. We are starting with a new session and the new chapter, that is time series. Now, time series, the meaning of this is time series is a sequence of observation made on a variable at regular interval of time over a specific period of time, that is called as time series. So, ये हो गया basic meaning. So, we write over here the basic meaning of this term, time series. Time series is a sequence of observation over a specific period, or we can say sequence of observation made on a variable at regular time intervals over a specific period of time. So ये हो गया basic meaning of the term what? Time series. Now time series analysis helps us understand the underlying forces leading to what particular pattern in the time series and helps us in monitoring and forecasting data with the help of appropriate statistical tool. So यहाँ पे analysis of time series data requires maintaining records of values of variable over a time. Yes, in day to day basis में या day to day life में the various examples which we can take is yearly GDP of a country, monthly sales in a departmental store, hourly temperature of a city recorded by a meteorological department. Yes, so these are various examples for what? Time series. Now, utility of the time series analysis. So, utility of time series analysis, it is same as what? Uses of time series analysis. So, we have time series analysis helps us to understand the past behavior of variable under consideration. It also helps in forecasting the value of variable in future. This type of forecasting is important for taking crucial decisions in business and what? Economic activities. It also helps in comparing the behavior of two or more time series. So we have the first one as it is useful for studying the past behavior of the variable. Second, it is useful for forecasting future behavior of the variable. It is useful in evaluating the performance. It is useful in making a comparative study. So these are the uses, or we can say utility of what? Time series. Now the next thing which we have is components of time series. Components of time series where we have four main components. Yes, the first one is secular trend. Second one is seasonal variation. Third one is cyclic variation. And fourth one is irregular variation, that is also called as random variation. Yes, so यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे as component of time series. First one is secular trend. Second is seasonal variation. Third one is cyclic variation. and the fourth one is irregular, or we can say random variation. Now, secular trend के लिए we need to understand the meaning of this. The secular trend is a long-term pattern of time series. The secular trend can be positive or negative depending on whether the time series exhibits an increasing long-term or decreasing long-term pattern. The secular trend shows a smooth and regular long-term movement of time series. The secular trend does not include short-term fluctuations but only consists of a steady movement over a long period of time. So, if a time series does not show an increasing or decreasing pattern, then the time series is a stationary around the mean. Example of this is sales of two-wheelers or four-wheelers are showing an increasing trend for the last many years due to rise in income of the country. The cost of electronic goods are showing a decreasing trend. Population is showing an increasing trend, and yearly death rate are showing decreasing trend. So these are different patterns of what secular trend.